Dear all, welcome to my YouTube channel Agri Business A Journey. Today I will discuss about one important chapter in microeconomics, that is marginal rate of technical substitution. Till late, we always highlighted another term in this connection. You all know that is marginal rate of substitution. We all know about the marginal rate of substitution. Then what is the need to read about the marginal rate of technical substitution? One basic difference between marginal rate of substitution is it is always be consumer centric. It means when consumer exchange one commodity to another for getting maximum satisfaction, then in that context you will find marginal rate of substitution. But when one producer exchange one input with another input for getting maximum output or maximum profit, in that connection you will find marginal rate of technical substitution. Let's discuss this concept through a graph. You all know that this curve is nothing but the isoquant. You all know that isoquant means when you have combined different inputs according to their substitution ability, irrespective of the proportionate change in combination of the input, if you will find the same output, then it is called as the isoquant. And which input combination will be the best one? In that condition, you understood the concept through budget line. Hopefully you all gone through my previous video. In that connections already I have highlighted that what is budget line, what is isoquant, and what are the characteristics of the budget line and the isoquant. Today I will discuss little bit of advanced one in connection with marginal rate of technical substitution. Dear students, you all know that cost means it is price of the capital into total capital plus price of the labor into total labor. When your labor is 0, suppose in this point, when labor is 0, then the point is defined as the 0 C by Pk, or you can say that y axis the length is C by Pk. When capital is 0, the length is C by PL. Why I have highlighted C by Pk and C by PL? Because to understand the slope of isoquant, you need to understand the slope of budget line. And you all know that slope is nothing but the change of capital with change of labor. Or you can say that slope is delta K by delta L. This is slope. But if it is converted to monetary terms, then definitely you have to write C by Pk, because it is the length, by C by PL. If this is the thing, then just see the right side, that delta K by delta L is always be price of the labor divided by price of the capital. Question arises, whether is there any connection of the slope of budget line with slope of isoquant? Yes, there is a connection. How it has been connected? You all know that MPL. Here I have highlighted MPL. MPL means marginal productivity of the labor. It is change in output or change in quantity of production divided by change in labor. Then marginal productivity of the capital, change in quantity by change in capital. In the same isoquant, the quantity always remain constant. Then definitely marginal productivity of the labor divided by marginal productivity of the capital is nothing but delta K by delta L. I just deduct delta Q in both the equation. Then delta K by delta L is price of the labor by price of the capital. So least cost criteria in value term, or you can say that what is the minimum optimization conditions or the least cost criteria of marginal rate of technical substitution by which you will get maximum revenue for the organization is delta K into Pk or delta L by PL, or both are same? Because MRTS, marginal rate of technical substitution, if the output will be remain constant, then in value terms the substitution will occur when delta K into price of the capital equal to delta L into price of the labor. If this is not equal, suppose at any point of the time it is either greater than or less than, then you have to facing numbers of permutation and combination of exchange of capital with labor. And at certain point of the time, if the ratio of delta K by delta L is greater than the price ratio, then you go for the adding of the resources, and if it is less than, then you go for the replace of the resources. What is addition, what is replacement of the resources, I will discuss in my next video. Till date, you all should know that marginal rate of technical substitution in value term is nothing but to minimum getting the least cost criteria, it is delta K into Pk equal to delta L by PL. Marginal rate of technical substitution also be highlighted in marginal productivity term as well. According to the criteria and the necessity or data in your hand, you have to decide which formula will be better for you for taking the decision. Hopefully you all are enjoying my video, and I am trying to clear all of your doubts through different concept and clarification. If you have some doubts, please write in your chat box. I definitely come with new videos. And if you don't subscribe it, please do that, because this is the time I think to go for a little bit of the higher one. It motivates me to go for the advanced of economics and other subjects. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my video.